So what I got here is what's going to be the top for my TV stand, and I just cut it out of 2x4s and cut these 45s on the edges so it won't show any end grain. And what I've done so far is just a dry fit. So I've marked where I put the biscuit joints, and I've already go ahead and cut the biscuit holes and put the biscuits in there to make sure all the seams line up nicely and are tight. So now all I'm going to do is take it all apart and glue it up and then pull it tight with these straps, and we'll go from there. I think I need to fill some of the gaps, like these gaps right here, with some wood putty. I don't have any, so I'm going to try to make some. I'm going to use what I like to call the Peter Pan recipe. Because you just put some glue down, and then you just use a little bit of pixie dust. There we go. I think that's a stupid joke, then I think you're stupid. Let's put some more glue in there. Yeah, there's no recipe. This is kind of a Bob Ross thing, and you just go at it and see what happens. Make a little bit of wood putty. I don't have nearly enough glue in here. It's just turning into sawdust Play-Doh.
So I already put a little wood putty in the cracks here. Nothing fancy. Just smashing it in there little by little, and then scraping off the excess. That is the whole idea, and then I can sand it later on and make it look real pretty. And there won't be an unsightly gap where there used to be one. Okay.
Oh, it's time for a surprise episode of Jig Time. Oh, today's episode is brought to you by Irish Jigs. Like to watch people's feet move while their torsos don't? Watch Irish Jigs. This jig is basically designed as a corner clamp. Sometimes it's hard to clamp things together in a 90-degree angle, so you need a quarter clamp. Pretty simple. Probably not very precise, but it's better than nothing. Just a bunch of screws and some 2x4s. Thanks for watching Jig Time. There it is. It's square-ish. So because I'm not a very good designer, there's a lot of pieces on the face frame that are unique in size. So what I'm going to have to do in order to assemble it with the pocket holes on the reverse sides of these pieces is I'm going to have to flip it all the way over piece by piece like a pancake so that each piece moves from one side to the other side as it flipped over, so when it flips back it should fit the cabinet like it's supposed to. If I don't do that, it's not going to fit right at all. So hopefully I'm doing it right. I don't know, I'm moving really fast and I can't tell what's happening right now. I'm out of here. Alright, so I think I'm gonna stop this video and save the rest of it for a different video. All I have to do that's left is install some doors here, put a back on it, and put the trim up here. So the next video is mainly going to be focusing around making the sliding doors with these drawer slides. So stay tuned for that. mixing it up. This is amazing.